Hi, I'm Marisa. Welcome to my piano studio. Today I'll be teaching you one of the most popular and useful technique exercises for piano, written by the 19th century teacher and composer C.L. Hanon. Hanon composed several piano exercises, but today I will focus on the very first one. And I'm going to teach you a shortened version that you can use as a daily warm-up. Hanon's exercises are a great tool for building finger strength and control. Another thing I like about them is because of the repetitive nature of the patterns. The exercises are meditative and calming, which is great for focus. So really, you can benefit from this exercise not only as a finger warm-up, but any time of the day to help you unwind, get centered, and focus. I've been told that you can find the sheet music for Hanon online for free, so check that out. Regardless, I'm going to now show you how to play an abridged version of the first exercise on the piano. Let's get started. For our Hanon exercise number 1, we'll start at middle C right hand, bass C left hand. So it's a simple pattern that repeats over and over, and the idea is that it helps you gain finger strength and finger independence, which means that you feel more control over each finger individually as they get stronger. So Hanon, again, is a great exercise for warming up or just midday or end of day if you just need to sort of unwind, chill out at the piano, relax, and also build finger strength. So we'll play C's together, and right at the beginning is when we have our finger stretch, or we move out of position. So we skip a key and go over to E next. So in the right hand, it's finger 1 to 2. In the left hand, it's 5 to 4. So together, we do that skip, and then we step up in this new position we're in. And then we're at D, and again, we stretch and skip up a third, realign. Then we're at E, stretch and skip. F, stretch, skip. G, stretch. A, stretch. Then we're coming close to the end of this part. We'll go B, stretch, walk all the way up to G, down to to D, and pause there. Our turnaround, we go back up to G, and now reverse. We stretch down a third. So in the right hand, it's 5 on G to 4 on E. In the left hand, 1 on G, 2 on E. So together, G, stretch, realign, walk down. Then F, stretch, realign. E, stretch. D, stretch. C, B, A, then I reach my low C's again, walk up to F, finish on C. So once you get the pattern and the fingering down, put it together at a slow, steady pace. And then over time, you can speed it up. thank you for joining me today. Happy practicing, and I'll see you at the next lesson.